Dear learners, welcome you all to e-learning platform. This is Faisal Ahmed with you throughout the semester. In this semester, you are going to study 19th century literature 2 with me. First and foremost, we will start with the novel written by Charlotte Bronte. And the title of the novel is Jane Eyre. Let's begin. But first and foremost, we will study a short biography of Charlotte Bronte. So in this lesson, you will find the short biography of Charlotte Bronte, her education, her literary career, and a conclusion. Charlotte Bronte was born in 1816 in a small English town in Yorkshire, England, and she died in 1855. Apart from a novelist, she was also a poet. And no bar and no net ensnares me. I am a free human being with an independent will. So these are short verses from a poem by Charlotte Bronte. Her education. Charlotte and her sisters Emily and Anne had a very hard life. From early childhood they knew poverty and very hard work. Charlotte received her education at an orphanage, which she described in her novel Jane Eyre. After that she worked as a governess and a teacher. The works of Charlotte Bronte, together with Charles Dickens, William Thackeray, and Elizabeth Gaskell, are considered to belong to the fine school of English realism of the first half of the 19th century. Charlotte Bronte's literary career. In her work, she wrote about the society she lived in and criticized it. Her first novel, The Professor, was published only after Charlotte's death. The best novel, Jane Eyre, published in 1847, which we are going to study in this semester, is partly biographical. In 1849, the novel Shirley was published. The story is about the Luddites, workers who did not understand the real enemy of the working class were the capitalists and aristocrats. They thought that machinery which they destroyed was their enemy. Conclusion. The last novel, Violet, came out in 1853. Charlotte Bronte died from tuberculosis in 1855. The three Bronte sisters are well-known writers, and their books are published in many countries. That's all for the first week. Thank you very much. And I recommend you to study more by gathering more materials from online and other published materials to know better about Charlotte Bronte. Thank you for being with me.